Cool.
Cool. Yeah. Just
Okay. Cool.
yeah. We are live.
Nice.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will just share this link as well. Let's hold on for a sec in our group, and then we will be good to go.
Sure.
Yeah, we are live.
Nice.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will just share this link as well. Let's hold on for a sec in our group, and then we will be good to go.
Sure.
Great. So we'll start. Okay. So hello, people. Hope you are doing good. Welcome, everyone. Guys, today Parmeshwar with us. Okay, he is a part of our group. He is a part of both our groups. In fact, he is there on a platform since quite some time. We were having an interaction wherein we learned he is very good at Excel, and he is a part of MIS team as well. So while having a discussion with him, we thought that why not we utilize this particular information, because Excel is one of the important things which is widely used in most of the fields, irrespective of whatever you do. If we talk about basic thing, if you are just processing some updates or something like that, then it's fine. But when it comes to reporting, making reports, putting the data in proper place, making it presentable, then Excel is something which is mostly used, and we all should be aware of it. So we thought of sharing some updates about it, what Excel is, and how do we use Excel, the importance of Excel at work. So welcome, Parmeshwar. Welcome, and thanks for giving us time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to this session. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we'll be sharing some knowledge about the Excel and all. So, what is Excel? I mean, the full explanation about the Excel thing. And I'm working since Excel.
Parmeshwar, before starting, right?
Yeah.
Guys, Parmeshwar is currently working in one of the MIS teams of one of the
Marketing
companies.
firm. Yeah, marketing firm.
Yeah. So he is already a working professional and utilizing this particular knowledge at his work. So
Right.
thanks, Parmeshwar, for taking out this time so that people
Thank you,
can learn something from you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So people will gather have gathered the information. Like I have passed 1 year and 3 months experience as a MS executive, and these are the things that Excel. These are the short things and that I have gathered through information, and I will present you in the form of this sessions, and we'll looking forward to do so.
Sure.
Yes.
So how is it? So people, first of all, tell us, Parmeshwar, how did you start working as an MIS person, and when did you acquire all this Excel knowledge, and how did you put it into practice? Was it so easy to get into MIS? Because as far as I know, when it comes to handling a big team, there is only 1 or 2 MIS people out there, and they handle the data of the entire project. So it is something which is people die to do, but do not get a chance to do.
So yeah, so back in then when I was in a college, so I got one of the opportunities, like one of the leading form opportunities to work as a MS executive. So through that, I got a chance to work in that. So I used to learn on YouTube platforms and other. I have taken so much courses, like I've taken some of the advanced Excel courses, and I've gathered some of the best information that you can get it online that have gathered, and I will try to teach you as well. And that's how my journey started when back then. And yeah, and I'm currently in a marketing firm. I'm working in a marketing firm, and yeah.
So you started learning it very early when you were in college, and
Right, yeah. Right, yeah.
Particular role, and you're looking towards data, and Excel was very much that helped you to get
it. Yeah. So what happens is what like back in the college timings, I used to work like after my college sessions are over. I used to work like some of the basic projects in Excel. So I used to do some of the basic things like entering in Excel data entry things that I used to get a job like I have got a job in data entry field. So that's what I have learned all the necessary things, that basic necessary things that needs to acquire the skills, needs to develop the basic fundamentals of Excel that I have gathered in my past, and then back after my graduation, I am working currently working as a executive.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
got it. That's really good to know, Parmeshwar. Good to know. So, how do we start, Parmeshwar? Okay, first of all, people who all are listening, right? MS Office, you all know Excel is one of the applications
Yeah.
which is a part of MS Office. So, whenever you MS Excel is very common to all. So, but the thing is that people do not know how to use it. People talk about VLOOKUPs, people talk about HLOOKUPs, so people talk about pivot tables, all these things, the conditional formatting, if formatting, some formulas, all these things are very necessary to work on Excel sheet so that we can put the data that we have in a proper manner so that it is taken ahead. And it turns out to be very important because until we know how to use all these things, irrespective of we having a good data with us, we will not be in a position to showcase it in meetings and all. So that is where the importance of this particular thing comes into picture. So just hear people. So Parmeshwar will be sharing
So
it. We talk about
yeah,
extras. There is something as macros as well, which
right.
some.
VBA as well. Yeah. So there are some advanced things that Excel covers, like from basic to advanced. So there's steps like you have to gather the steps, like further steps to go ahead in a this Excel journey. So you have to start from basic and then start upscale your upscale your skills. Like if you start as a beginner, you master the rows and column and this shift. You should know about the basic fundamentals of this shortcuts and all. So you should learn all that in within 2 or 3 weeks, and then after you jump on the next sessions, like row formatting, conditional formatting the basic basic excels, and then you go on like advanced Excel things like macros and conditional formatting and data cleansing work, like data to column, this thing in advanced Excel, and VBS and all. So you go on that steps to there are some steps to go ahead, and yeah, you can learn it by that.
So, Parmeshwar, do you want to share that PPT or
Yeah,
something?
yeah, yeah, sir. We'll share it. Just give me a second, sir. Host can share it. This meeting. So it's showing like only the host can share this meeting.
Wait. I will just do
Yeah.
something. Or do you want me to share that PPT and you can run through
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah, sir. Sure. You can share it.
Share my screen.
Yeah.
I will share my screen. I will share the desktop. Here we go. I have shared. Where is that? Here we go. Can you see it,
Yeah,
Parmeshwar?
yeah. I'm sorry.
So you tell me. I will proceed accordingly. So
Yeah,
people, you can do all this thing. Parmeshwar has put it us so that he can take you through this. So this is the basic thing that he has done today. Tell
yeah.
me. I will proceed accordingly. Okay. So here we.
Okay. So these are the basic fundamentals of introduction, like what you needs to go through that Excel. So these are the basic like first ladder of the steps that you cover, and yeah. So the first point is uses for many things to record the data. Like what is this Excel used for? It is used for to record the data in a row and column manner, like row and column size, so that you can record it and showcase to the things like that you are working on, like you're working on as a financial analyst or some positions like data analyst. You can be that at that level. So you have to go through that as well. So there are the it is the basic things that this needs to cover. So users to record and analyze the numerical statistics like data. So you can record the things in a graphical form, and you can showcase the dashboards of you can make the dashboard of the topic. And so the basic thing which we gonna start is data is recorded in the form of rows and columns, and the basic is to showcase the data in a best possible way that you have presented in a best possible manner. Yes, sir. Next slide, please.
Here we go.
Yeah. So where is this Excel comes from? Like where's this? What is the Excel? What is Excel and what is where is come from? So Excel is originated by Microsoft and Teams, and it is widely used in an enterprises level and this company level as well. So it is the best thing you can learn, like best skill you can learn right now. So Microsoft is a software program includes Microsoft so and it is to create a spreadsheet, and so there is a spreadsheet you can write it down, like you can take these are the spreadsheets, and you have the rows and column in that, so you have to record the data throughout the this thing. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So what is the important aspect of this Excel thing? So you will be needing some extra things like what is essentials, like you what is there to start with the Excel thing. So here is it. So sole purpose is to helping business compile all the financial data and all, like it is not about financial data, it is about the whole purpose, like to solve the things like in a best possible way and suitable for the clients or something, to showcase the work, like what this is all about, what is the graphs and trends are telling you, and it is widely used in networks like this. So and it is now the most commonly used program for creating graphs and pivot tables. So you can go it like if you have a something data, like so you can convert it into a pivot tables and you can show it to in a graphical tense, so that your minds and your body is easy to understand the things, and that you're showing to the on the ground level or some things. And the most important thing, you can get a job by learning out of it, and you can get a job like at entry level jobs is also much easier to get in Excel if you learn this skill in like it is easy to learn, and it is it will help you for sure, it will help you for sure. So what are the use cases of Excel, like in what are the industry users in Excel? So the industry, there are lot of things that industry uses like in X, not usually Excel, but a whole MS Office, like it is compiled of MS PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Excel, and many other things, like many other things. So it is combined by those aspects. So there are forms like marketing forms and finances, financial Deloitte and all, like big financial things. They uses Excel at a ground level. They used to analyze the this stocks and all. They There are so many things that you can do with Excel, and yeah. So what are the fundamental and functions of this Excel? You can what you can get it from my side, and uh, sir is with us, and what you can get it from the this things sessions. So you will get to learn by this the function, the sum function and all, the text function, VLOOKUP, and average function of, and this functions you will learn this functions and all in the sessions, in upcoming sessions, and you have to it will be further explained to you. So this that's what I'm talking about. The Excel tools are so powerful that you can analyze the things very clearly and very easily, like it will show you like the trends of the markets, and you can, I'm talking about in a financial way, but you can take it as a something at your work style, what their use case are. So it is very easily to analyze the data and all. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome, most welcome. Most welcome, and thank you so much, in fact, Parmeshwar. So, team, this is what it is, okay? We thought of coming up with something wherein we could, this basically, we have two platforms. One is for job seekers, wherein we keep posting jobs. And there is another platform which we call it as professional platform, wherein we have all the professionals who work there. And it's like a career grow platform, and how to grow your career. So this particular video is a part of this career grow, which is the base idea of what we are doing. So people, we will be conducting few more sessions related to Excel. We would take registrations for that particular activity. We would take registrations for that particular activity. And another thing is, we would be also sharing some information to you, like shortcuts of Excel and all that stuff. We will share it with you. So we will keep you updated, people. We will keep you updated as and when we go ahead and do all this type of stuff. So we'll let you know what exactly is going to be and how it is going to be, what it is going to be. So be there with us. We will shortly keep you updated about all that stuff, people. So thank you, Parmeshwar. Would you like to
Thank
add
you, sir.
anything? And I would like to formally welcome you, Parmeshwar, to the group that we have, to the group of experts. We have Sudha, there is Tulsi, then there is Suresh, then Dipanjan, then you are there. So these all are
Thank you, sir.
people from different professions who are currently working in their own field, and they keep coming and sharing and guiding people with the current knowledge that they have. Tausif is there.
Yeah.
So there are people around. So you are also part of that group now. So welcome you all,
Thank you,
and
sir. Thank you.
welcome you to a part of this particular team. Anything from you, Parmeshwar?
Yeah, sir. So that there's one thing that you can do, like people I'm talking about, the who are watching right now. So that there's one thing you can do, like if you want to start in a like Excel things, it is very easy. It is very easy to learn and grab the things, like grab the best possible way, and you can make money out of it. Like you can get a job like at a entry level jobs, and there's so many things that you can do. Yes, sir.
Sure, sure, people. So people, wait for the further updates. And let me tell you, people, okay, these particular trainings, we will keep few things which would be open for all, and few things would be only specific for those people who are really interested in doing this. For that, we will take registrations, and accordingly we will do. And there will be some value. It would be like negligible, very less to speak truth, but there would be some amount attached to it, so that people who are actually enrolling for that stick to it. Because if we do not take enrollments, the observation is that people are not sticking to the program. They attend one or two workshops, then they miss, then attend. So we want it to be something wherein people, monetary terms are also added to it, so that people give some specific time and do it, because there is something which is going from their pockets as well. It would be very less as compared to other marketing stuff and all that stuff, because the idea of a platform remains the same. We are here to help you all. So thank you, Parmeshwar. Thank you
Thank
for
you, sir.
giving us